What's up guys? Let's do some bike check on this new 110 FX. This is the new Wilier full suspension cross-country mountain bike. They just built it. This is one of the lightest full suspension bike that Wilier ever made. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in there. So this one has a handlebar and stem by Ritchie, WCS alloy, which is C220, oversized handlebar with a World Champion Series logo on it. Brakes on this one is the new BL MT501 made by Shimano, 2-finger series. And then the front suspension on this one is made by Fox 32 SC Factory Kashima, which has 100 mm travel. It has a boost remote control dual system, which is a really awesome looking suspension, finished with a Kashima coat. The weight of this frame is only 1690 grams for a medium frame size, and it's really super light as a full bike as 11 kg. The drivetrain on this one is the new SRAM Eagle GX. It's 1x12 system. It has 32 teeth chainring in the front and 1050 on the cassette. And the rear shock on this bike is the Fox Flows Factory DVX Evolution 6.5 by 1.5 remote control dual system. The saddle on this bike is the Cell Italia XLR, which has a manganese rail. And the seat post on this one is made by Ritchie straight post, zero offset, made by Ritchie. It's aluminium seat post, 27.2. And the tires on this one is made by Vittoria Barso 29 by 2.25, tubeless ready. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment and do subscribe, and hopefully see you in my next video.